Hey y'all, Rob here. I need to replace the fuel pump in my 2002 GMC Savana, and I don't feel like dropping the tank. I have a nice big cargo area back here. There's no reason I can't cut an access panel in the floor. It makes changing out the fuel pump so much easier. In any case, this should work for any Chevrolet Express or GMC Savana from 1996 to present. No guarantees about that. This is a 3500 with a 5.7 and a 28-gallon fuel tank, and your experience may vary. No warranties expressed or implied. Do this at your own risk. Don't listen to anything I'm telling you other than not to listen to me. In any case, so what do we have? We have, from the back of the seat here, if we follow this ridge and this valley comes back, we're right at 15 inches to the edge here from the filler neck there, and we're right at 29 inches from the back of the seat bracket, right? So 15 inches out brings you to this edge, 29 inches back brings you to this front corner, and then I cut a hole 12 by 7.5. The reason I didn't cut all the way back is that I want to go to the junkyard and cut this panel again, but I want to cut it to include this overlapping portion here and here, and then to come up an inch on the front and the back. That way I can make a panel that'll drop right into place. Now, there are a couple things you should be aware. Inside here, there's a cross member and another piece of sheet metal that's underneath the floor. You want to avoid that. That starts at 41 inches, or just past 41 inches. So this hole is 8 by 12, well, 7.5 by 12. And the way I did it was to use this Harbor Freight, this cheap Harbor Freight drill bit here that has knurling on the side. And you drill 4 or 5 holes in a row, and then you wallow them out side to side to connect them all, so you can fit your nice carbide-tipped Diablo blade here down in that hole, and very carefully cut it. You don't want to go too deep. You want to keep it shallow, like this. You don't want to go straight up and down. You don't want to cut the tank. You don't want to cut the lines. You know, just use some care. You know that on these 3 sides you're basically clear, and most of that side. You know, cut these 3 sides first, lift it up, take a peek in there. Anyway, there you go. So you want to come from where the flange hits the floor. You want to come over 15 inches to that ridge, and from the back of the seat to the front of the hole is 29 inches. There you go. I hope this is useful. Please be careful and enjoy your new access panel.